Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening settings and tapping battery so you can act immediately. Once there, check the battery percentage because low power mode engages at 20% automatically unless you enable it manually. Now toggle low power mode on. This reduces mail fetch, background app refresh, and visual effects to extend runtime. Make sure to watch the battery icon turn yellow. This confirms it is active. If you prefer quick access, you can add it to Control Center later for faster switching. Once low power mode is active, customize how you access it so you can toggle it quickly in the future. Go to Settings, Control Center, and add low power mode for one-swipe control. This saves time when you need it between charges. You should know why it works. It pauses background app refresh, automatic downloads, and reduces graphics performance, which lowers power draw. Also note that it may limit network speeds or refresh frequencies to preserve battery life. This trade-off explains the improved endurance. To finish, turn low power mode off when you plug in your iPhone or when you need full performance. Charging to 80% or above typically restores normal behavior. If the toggle refuses to change, restart your device first because a simple reboot resolves many temporary glitches. Make sure your iOS is up to date. Outdated software can interfere with controls. If problems persist, back up and reset settings as a last resort. This clears configuration issues while preserving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.